Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you this makeup look or my quarantine makeup look whenever I have work or if I just want to look presentable. This makeup is super easy and simple. So let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Starting off with a moisturized face, the first product that I'm gonna use is powder. I also apply it all over my neck to balance my skin tone. Next up will be my eyebrows. I'm just gonna draw my eyebrows in and follow the natural shape. Then I blend it with the spoolie. Then I'm gonna use my Nature Republic eyeshadow palette. I always put the lightest shade as my base because I have a medium skin tone. After that, I layer it with a rose pink shade for a fresh look. Give your eyelashes a good squeeze. I'm using this Nichido eyelash curler. And I'm using a Maybelline mascara, which is my all-time favorite. I've been using this mascara for a long time now. It really makes my eyes more awake and look fresh. Now, I'm gonna work on my cheekbones. I'm using this Bilena blush on in the shade Milkweed. I really love this product, guys. It's really perfect for morenas like me and it gives me that sun-kissed glow. It's time for highlighter. I'm using this Colourette in the shade of the yellow diamond. I apply it onto my cheeks, nose, upper lips, eyebrows, and then I blend it. For my lips, I'm gonna go with the MAC lipstick in the shade of Riveting Rose. I like that this shade gives me that peachy and natural look. I blend it all over my lips and now we're done with the look. I'm probably gonna wear this even when I'm not at home. This is really a great look since it doesn't come off too heavy or intense, but it will just look really fresh and simple. I hope you enjoyed this makeup video and I'll see you next time. Bye!